All right, now we have Valhalla out here. She is wild and was brought home in June. And she has done this exercise before, so I think it'll be pretty fine. I think she'll do better than Honk. So first I'm going to put my hand out where I want her to go, and there she just did it. She knows this already. She knows this already. Is that a good girl, huh? All right, now the other foot is forward. Again, loose lead rope. I'm offering her, I'm letting her know what I want, but she's looking away. So now I'm going to come in and get in with my flag up here by her neck. There she went. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Now she's pretty even, so I could go either way. I haven't asked you anything yet. Okay, now my hand is out where I want her foot to go. She's not moving. There. That was kind of, I would say, kind of poor. You see here, a wild donkey is calmer than Honk, a domestic unhandled donkey. Okay, so now I'm letting her know what I want. She's not responding. She's looking at Paul and looking at other stuff. I'm going to come in with my flag. There she went. It's a good girl. Giving her a little rest of 10 to 30 seconds between each one. I'm letting her know what I want. There. That was quicker because I got the flag out. Now she gets another break. The breaks are so important for the donkeys, for all of them, but see, she's licking and chewing. Hi, girl. Her mouth is kind of tight, and she's having trouble standing still right now. So if they're going to not stand still, we could let them go, and then we could roll the hinds. There. Yeah. Hi. Hi. I'm going to let her know what I want, see if I can get over here without her trying to block me. Yeah. Put my hand where I want her foot to go. Walk forward. There, she did it. Good job. Let's come over here back in the camera view, girl. She's pretty even. I'm going to offer her, let her know what we want. She's not looking. I'm going to walk forward. That was a little bit harder, wasn't it? Is that a little bit harder? Now you can't stand still? She's not. I'm in position. I'm going to let her know what I want. There, she did it. That was great. Licking and chewing. That means she's digesting what she is learning. Okay, a loose rein. Let her know where I want her to put her foot. She doesn't understand. So I'm going to bring my flag up. There, good job. Good girl. Good girl. You guys just heard the blowing. Honk is tied up to the thinking post, and that blowing would just mean that she just let down from some of her stress of her lesson. She's also licking and chewing over there. So she's getting a tying lesson plus the clearing the front lesson. Okay, so now I'm at the angle I want. She just did it, but I hadn't really asked yet. So now she's got to go. I'm going to roll her hinds. And now I'll ask her to come this direction. Nice work. Nice work. She's got to go. We'll take this opportunity to work on driving her forward. And I'm going to ask her to disengage. On a loose rein. Nice work. She's got to go again. Nice work. See if she can stand still now. Her mouth is very tight right now, guys. There we go. All right. Here she's just having a break. There was just a plane or something that flew overhead and made her kind of nervous. Oh, it was a helicopter? All right. If you guys noticed just a little bit ago, she kind of almost went over top of me. I did not back up. Oh, we got licking and chewing just started. So I stayed in my position and just tried to drive her away from me. We don't want to back up if we can avoid it. At that same moment, the helicopter was going overhead, making her uncomfortable. But that's why we want to do this training so that they always are respectful of staying out of our bubble. But they have to be taught that, guys. They don't just know, and it's our job to teach it. Okay, so now I am going to let her know what I want by putting my hand where I want her front right leg to go, and she's not responding. So now I'm going to come up with the flag. There, she did it. And she says she's got to go. So I'm going to let her go. And then I'm going to have my hand come down so she knows I want something different. And then I'm going to ask her to turn. Good girl. She's got to go. I'm going to let her go, and I'll work on her disengaging her hind end. When I do that, I'm going to slide my hand down the rope so she knows. Then I'll walk towards her hind. Then again, she gets another break to let her come down and digest what she's learning and what I'm trying to teach her. There, she moved out of my space nicely there. Okay, so again, I'm going to put my hand where I want her foot to go, and I'm going to walk forward. That wasn't so pretty. Could have been because I was too close, or she's just green enough that she doesn't know how to move out of my space very well. Slide my hand down and turn and walk towards her rear. Good girl. Licking and chewing again. All right, right now her front left foot is forward, so I'm going to put my hand where I want her foot to go. She's already looking away. Then I'm going to come up with that flag. I suppose I'm going to have to take up the slack some. That was not pretty, but all we can do is practice, right? It's not always going to be pretty when you guys are teaching your animal to do something. Okay, she's got to go. I'm going to let her go. There, I put my flag by her shoulder because she was coming in kind of close to me. Now, when it's time to ask her to disengage, I'm going to slide my hand down the lead rope, walk towards her butt. The goal is she crosses over and pivots that front. She's still kind of walking forward, so I'm just going to keep on walking, guys. There, that was better. Okay, we're going to do one more time, and then she's going to get tied up to the thinking post. Come on. She doesn't want to come. I'm going to drive her forward. I'll ask her to disengage. She's going to try to go away from me. All right, I think we'll be able to try this. Oh my gosh. Every time I move, she tries to move away. It's so different when I'm doing this with Seamus. Good girl. That was a really good one to end on.